What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, it's SM, and today we're diving into the top 5 US cities to invest in real estate for 2025. The market is shifting fast, and if you want your money to work as hard as you do, you need to know where the action is. I've crunched the numbers, analyzed the trends, and found the cities with the biggest potential for growth and returns. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, this list could be your ticket to the next big deal. Ready? Let's jump in. Let's jump. Number 5 is Austin, Texas, aka Silicon Hills. Tech giants like Tesla, Apple, and Oracle have transformed Austin into a magnet for high-paying jobs and new residents. The result? Skyrocketing demand for housing and a rental market that's hotter than ever. For investors, that means rising property values and low vacancy rates. Whether you're looking at single-family homes in the suburbs or multi-family units downtown, the opportunities are everywhere. Austin's young professional population and major university keep the tenant pool strong. The city's growth is relentless, and getting in now is like buying into a tech stock before it explodes. The fundamentals are solid, and the upside is huge. Austin is evolving into a major metropolis. Don't miss your chance to ride the wave. That's why it kicks off our list. Number 4 is Raleigh, North Carolina, the anchor of the Research Triangle. With powerhouse universities and a booming tech sector, Raleigh offers a stable, high-earning workforce. The city's quality of life is top-notch, drawing in talent from across the country. For investors, this means steady appreciation and reliable tenants. Raleigh isn't about wild swings, it's about consistent, long-term growth. Single-family homes in the suburbs or condos near downtown both offer great potential. The demand is driven by real jobs and a superior lifestyle. Raleigh is the smart money bet. Number 3 is Tampa, Florida, a city on fire with growth and opportunity. Tampa's affordability, beautiful beaches, and booming job market are attracting everyone from young professionals to families. The influx of new residents is driving up demand for both homes and rentals. Investors can stretch their capital further here, with lower entry prices than other Florida hotspots. Plus, Tampa's tourism industry creates a lucrative market for short-term rentals. Whether you're targeting long-term tenants or vacationers, the demand is strong from every angle. Tampa's diverse economy and rising population make it a safe, high-upside play. Get in now to catch the wave. Number 2 is Nashville, Tennessee, where explosive growth meets unbeatable culture. Beyond its music roots, Nashville is a healthcare and corporate powerhouse, drawing in young professionals and families. The city's energy is electric, with new restaurants, bars, and creative spaces popping up everywhere. Property values have soared, and the rental market is thriving thanks to both new residents and a booming tourism scene. Short-term rentals in trendy neighborhoods are especially hot. Whether you're investing in urban condos or suburban homes, Nashville's expansion means opportunity. The city blends historic charm with a dynamic economy. It's a real estate success story in the making. Nashville is your chance to invest in a city on the rise. And, at number 1, Phoenix, Arizona. Phoenix is exploding with growth, thanks to its affordability, business-friendly vibe, and a flood of new residents. Remote work and a lower cost of living are fueling a migration from high-cost states. The job market is strong, with tech, manufacturing, and healthcare leading the way. Housing demand is relentless, and new construction can barely keep up. For investors, that means low vacancies, rising rents, and plenty of options. From luxury homes in Scottsdale to student rentals in Tempe, Phoenix's metro area offers entry points for every budget and strategy. The fundamentals are unbeatable: population growth, economic diversity, and lifestyle appeal. That's why Phoenix tops my list for 2025. Don't sleep on this desert powerhouse. There you have it, the top 5 real estate hotspots for 2025. Austin, Raleigh, Tampa, Nashville, Phoenix. These cities are leading the way in growth and opportunity. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below and tell me which city excites you most, or if you have another pick. If you found value in this video, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more insider real estate insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's go.